What scipy statistical test do I use to compare sample means? Assuming sample sizes are not equal, what test do I use to compare sample means under the following circumstances? Please correct if any of the following are incorrect. Normal distribution equals true and homogeneity of variance equals true. Normal distribution equals true and homogeneity of variance equals false. Normal distribution equals false and homogeneity of variance equals true. Normal distribution equals false and homogeneity of variance equals false.
Fast answer. Normal distribution equals true and homogeneity of variance equals false and sample sizes 30 to 50. Good answer. If you check the central limit theorem, it says, from Wikipedia, in probability theory, the central limit theorem, CLT, states that, given certain conditions, the arithmetic mean of a sufficiently large number of iterates of independent random variables, each with a well-defined, finite, expected value and finite variance, will be approximately normally distributed, regardless of the underlying distribution. So, although you do not have a normal distributed population, if your sample is big enough, greater than 30 or 50 samples, then the mean of the samples will be normally distributed. So, you can use. This is a two-sided test for the null hypothesis that two independent samples have identical average expected values. With the option equal_var equals false, it performs a Welch's t-test, which does not assume equal population variance.
Jo, vänta Senor. Jag har sett en Schuberts skrivning.